First.
Okay, so good afternoon everyone. My name is Diogo Nunes and I'm going to give you a brief presentation about my thesis, which the main theme is the governance of information systems. So in the related work we included the IT governance frameworks, specifically COBIT and ITCMF, and we also included the strategic plans of governments to improve their ICT, mainly the UK's strategy for ICT and the Portuguese PGT. On the development of this thesis, we used the design science research methodology, and this concept map illustrates the problem of our thesis. So the public administration IT function has several operational problems, and the Portuguese government created a strategic plan named PGT to address these operational problems. But PGT is an incomplete and unsustainable strategic plan. Besides, its implementation is severely behind schedule. So we propose the evaluation and improvements of PGT. This evaluation consists of an assessment of its quality, and then the proposal of a new strategic planning, which includes two different and complementary plans, a strategic one and an operational one. Starting with the assessment, we first evaluated PGT's completeness and efficiency, and for that we used the ITCMF framework. This framework defines a set of capabilities, and what we did was the mapping between these capabilities and the PGT's projects. For each project, we question if this project is implemented, which IT capabilities will be improved, and which maturity level will be attained. So in the end, we obtained this graph, this table, which we then did mapping analysis to discover three different things. The first is the deficiencies, which is a capability that isn't improved by any project at all. Then we have the overloads, when we have more than one project to achieve the same maturity level. And then we have the excesses that are one project that implements no capability at all. This research was validated with 3 public bodies and recently published at IESS conference. Following up, we have our proposal of a new strategic plan called PETIC, and its time frame will be 4 years with a biennial review. Its scope will be high level, containing only the strategy, and we want to do it below 50 pages so everyone, even the non-IT personnel, can read it and understand it. The content, this plan will have the vision, the 4-year vision, and the strategic goals to achieve that vision. For each strategic goal, we'll provide the justification so everyone understands why those strategic goals are important. Its implementation will be done by a separate plan called POTIC, which is an operational plan that will be tailored specifically for each IT department of each ministry. And finally, in terms of sustainability, this strategic plan, PETIC, is more efficient and more preventive than the current PGTIC and creates a continuous improvement loop. So our POTIC, or operational plan, will be a 2-year plan with 3 main objectives. The first one is to align the IT's department operational problems with the strategic goals of PETIC, our strategic plan. Second, we will prioritize which capabilities are going to be improved first, aligning the maturity of the capabilities with the strategic capabilities selected by PETIC. And finally, we'll execute the strategic goals by defining implementation guides, which will be published inside POTIC. Now, the demonstration. We are going to use the IST's IT department, the SE, to demonstrate our proposal. So first, we'll use ITCMF to assess the maturity of its IT capabilities and also its operational problems. Then, with the PETIC already defined, we are going to align the strategic decisions with these problems and create the POTIC, which is the operational plan, containing the implementation details to implement both the strategic projects and the operational projects. So, in reference to the continuous improvement loop, we first start by assessing the maturity, then we align the problems with the strategy, then we prioritize, and finally we implement it and we close the loop. Now the evaluation, we will have, we'll conduct interviews with specialists, we will also do the demonstration, and finally we'll have scientific publications. All these three will contribute with feedback for us to further improve and tweak our proposal. Our contributions so far were the assessment of PGTIC's quality and also the design of an alternative. Our future contributions will be the development of a PETIC and also a POTIC in order to apply it both in a real scenario to create a case study of our proposal. And that's it.